What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?
What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I am doing some long spring twist on a toile, and I'm featuring Breathe the Gemini because you guys know we just recently did her big chop, and so I found a bunch of old passion twist hair when I was cleaning up my hair cabinet, and I decided that I'll just create the look on her. So I wanted to make this a little bit different from my other videos, and I have had clients tell me before that the passion twist slip out and this and that. So I decided to try the rubber band method on her, which she absolutely hated, and I'll talk about that a little bit later. But basically, to start off, I'm going to be sectioning off her hair. You know, she likes her any type of braid styles or anything like a medium to large, so we're going to do medium to large boxes, and I'm going to do this on her entire head before I start really installing any hair. So once that's all completed, to connect the hair, I'm actually using 4 pieces of the passion twist hair, and I'm going to use my crochet hook and put it underneath the rubber band through the part and pull one side of that crochet hair through. Now, Bree absolutely hated this. She was like, I'm so triggered because she said it hurts when you put the crochet needle underneath the rubber band. So just FYI, it feels like little hairs are pulling, and so unfortunately, I couldn't fix it, but it turned out super cute, so I feel like, yeah, the pain was worth it. So for this specific hair, I'm going to be twisting to the right, and it's really important when you get your hair that on your first twist you determine which way it needs to be twisted, because I have noticed that depending on what hair I purchase, they all like twist in the opposite direction. So this one I was able to twist to the right for all of them. I will link the hair that I use in the description section. I believe this is Dorsani hair, which is one of my favorite passion twist hair on Amazon. I've tried a couple different ones and this one never fails me. So yes, I will leave a link in the description section where you guys can purchase this hair. I used a total of 7 packs to complete this look. The last pack I only used a couple of pieces, like I didn't use the entire pack for the style. When it comes to passion twists, I've actually stopped offering them as a service just for a couple of reasons. Number one, if you're working with a short afro like Bree has, or if you're working on someone with straight ends, like straight hair, then it will stick out of the passion twist. And I've tried so many times to figure out ways to like tuck their hair in or prevent that from happening, but it's inevitable. It just happens. Typically my clients who are natural, who have more of like a type 4 texture or a super curly type 3 texture, it's easier to blend the hair, but it's just super frustrating because the hair kind of just pokes out of the twist. Also, I've had a lot of issues with like slippage, which is why I wanted to try the rubber band method on Bree. And then also a lot of people say that the hair gets super tangly as well. So overall, I just feel like the style doesn't hold up for me. So it was something that I didn't want to offer anymore because I would get a lot of complaints on it. And that is literally the worst for me as a stylist, when I get a complaint from a client and I have to go back and fix something. And then also just trying to explain to them, like, this is not a style that is going to last you months, you know, like if you were to get box braids or Senegalese twists. So it just got frustrating after a point. So I had made a post on my Instagram, which if you guys follow me, I'm sure you had seen it, where I just basically talked about why I was not offering passion twists anymore. And I swear so many stylists commented on there and was like, oh my God, I'm having the same issue. You're so right. So it did make me feel really good because I was like, okay, you know, at least I know it's not something that I'm doing as a stylist. But yes. But yeah, I keep calling these passion twists, but like I said, they do look more like spring twists. Passion twists I feel like are a little bit more loose and kind of just like, yeah, like a little more messy. But yes, this is technically called passion twist hair. So yes guys, I just finished my last twist. The great thing about this is there's not much maintenance once you're done. You don't have to dip it or anything. So this is pretty much my finished look. I went ahead and went over her edges and I thought this style was super cute on her. I think I've done twists on her before a long time ago, but I was like, yeah, this is cute. I actually like the way that this turned out. So we'll see how long it lasts on her, especially having a short afro, because like I said, sometimes those ends tend to stick out. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and share. And as always, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you guys can know every time I upload. So yes, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will catch you guys in my next video.
What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?